Hello! Today I got something that can improve my video's quality and I want to unbox it with you. Let's see what's this. I hear this one can improve everything because it has a T shape. Let me see. Oh, that's heavy. Look at it. It seems really professional. I'm not sure how I can use it, but let's first unbox everything. If you can hear me. The person in charge was someone really careful. Yeah, it's the first piece. I think this one is for mobile phone. And what's this? Oh, for if we want to do it vertical or horizontal. I'm not sure about the word. But that's it, and that should be attached to one of these. Let's see. Oh, they have another part too. This one is the T-shape detail that can stay like that here, and you will see everything without need to bend anything. And the last piece, that one is really heavy. I can't even lift it. Let's see how it works. I'm not sure. That one should be for this part. And this one, let me see. Oh, I can increase the height. Maybe this one is for height too. Yeah, that's it. And this one, no, that's not. That can I will show you in the next videos, but maybe you can see everything from the better concept perspective and love my videos more. Bye bye.